Rent to rent. Welcome to PropMarker, your go-to destination for seamless rent-to-rent deals. Rent to rent is a strategy where you rent properties from landlords and then sublet them to tenants for a higher price, generating profit from the rental margin while managing the property and tenants along the way. What's in it for you? Well, first off, you have the opportunity to generate passive income without the need for a large upfront investment. Secondly, instead of buying a property yourself, you're tapping into existing properties owned by landlords. Rent to rent offers scalability. With the right systems in place, you can expand your portfolio and rent out multiple properties, increasing your income potential. Additionally, you can choose properties in different locations and target areas with high rental demand or specific niche markets. Let's explore how you can navigate through our rent-to-rent section to find your perfect rental opportunities. First, click on the Rent-to-Rent tab from the dashboard. Here, you'll find everything you need to know about our rent-to-rent offerings. Once you're on the rent-to-rent landing page, take a moment to browse through our available properties. You can filter your search by area, rental price, property type, and bedroom. Use the search filters to narrow down your options and find properties that meet your criteria. Click on a property listing to view more details. Here, you'll find information about the property type, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, rental price, and deposit amount and rental comparables. Take your time to explore each listing and see which properties catch your eye. If you have any questions or need assistance, our friendly team is just a click away.